Hello everybody and welcome to yet another video from that gormless twit, Restoration Biker. Well, today I want to look at the Honda CB500 and 550 4s. The 500 4s that were produced in the 70s, brilliant bikes as we all know. We're going to look at carburetor overhaul. I'm going to do a video shortly which is about how to overhaul these carburetors, but the thing that you've got to be aware of, there are two major types of carburetor that were used on these bikes. So this video is so that you can identify which carbs you've got before you pull the bloody thing to pieces. Yeah, so on the CB500 4, the original bikes had the 069 carbs, and most of them had that set of carbs right up to sort of 76, 77. Then when the CB550 came out, they fitted the PD42 carbs. They're different. They will fit, but they are different, and you need to know. There's been plenty of times when people have decided to overhaul their carburetors, have bought another set of carbs, or they've bought loads of spares and all that, and spent a lot of money. If they buy decent spares, they spend a lot of money, only to find out, oh my God, they're different. So identify your carbs before you even think about buying spares or anything of that nature. That's what this video is going to help you with. And then what we'll do afterwards, I'm going to do another video, or two videos really, about how to overhaul the CB500 and 550 carbs. Two separate videos, one for the 500, one for the CB550. So what are we looking at? Well, have a look at this then. Now here we have a set of carbs. This set here, sort of normally consider those to be CB500. These are the earlier carbs, the CB500, 629, 627s. These carbs here are the later carbs that are normally found on the CB550. These are VP 46s. These are the carburetors that are normally fitted on the 550, and these are PD 46s. So quite often people get mixed up with these two carbs because they go by adverts. Somebody might say, oh, CB500 carbs, and you think, oh, that's just what I want. So you order them, you buy these, you get the kit to overhaul them, you do everything correctly, but then your bike has got these on, or the other way around. So you need to find out, before you even think about buying carbs, buying spares, doing anything, you need to know what ones you've got. And I think that Honda fitted both bikes, the CB500 and the 550, with both types of carbs at certain years. So you can't say, oh, definitely this or definitely that, because I've seen people with 550s that have got these 500 carbs on. I always call those the 500 and those the 550 because that's what I've always seen whenever I've done work on them. But it doesn't mean to say that that's exactly how it is. So how do you tell the difference? Well, it's quite easy really. Look at this bit here. That's the choke. The choke control on the earlier carbs is manual on the side of the carb. On the later carbs, it's operated by a cable. So you'll have a cable on the handlebar to operate the chokes. That's one of the first ways you'll tell. The second way to tell which ones you've got, an easy way, look at the top. Notice how there's two screws, one at either end. Look at the shape of the top, and then you look at the top on the earlier carbs. It's totally different. Two screws, but look, totally different. So instantly that gives you a means of identifying them before you've even pulled them off the bike. As soon as you pull them off the bike, you can see the differences. They are essentially a totally different carb. These have got brackets on the side. This has got a gantry that controls the actual operation of the carbs through the throttle linkage. So what we need to do is to understand the way to identify them, which we've just talked about, and also the way to identify the kit. Now, if you don't know the kit that you're going for, whether it's a PD46, whether it's a 629, 627, you don't know that. The kit is displayed as a kit for CB500 4s, 1971 to 1976. Well, how do you know if it's the correct kit? Well, easy. It's so easy. What you do is you look in the kit at the gaskets. The gasket for that top bit there, if it's that shape, it's them. The CB500, the earlier ones, the 629s. If it's a different shape, it'll be for the PD46s. That way then, you know, if you look at the shape of the gasket, you know what one you're getting and whether it's the correct one. So that is how to identify which carbs you've got before you've even pulled it off the bike, and how to get the correct spares. Just have a little look. See, here you can tell just by looking at these few pictures which type you've got. The idea is it doesn't really matter to me what type you've got, but it matters to you, because the carbs that you've got on your bike, you either want to replace them with the correct type or you want to rebuild them with the correct kits. You don't want to waste time, effort and energy doing the wrong thing. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a video on how to restore them, the CB500, I call them CB500s, 629s, and these, the PD46s that were normally fitted to the CB550. So there you go. Have a look, see what you think. So there you go then. Doesn't take long to check. Just if you know what you're looking for, you can check, and then you can go, ah, I've got these, I've got them, whatever. And then you can get the right kits. And then, after you've done that, you can watch the video that I'm about to make of overhauling that particular model of carbs. Hope this has been of some use to you, and keep an eye out for the other videos I've got coming out of those two carbs I've just shown you being overhauled. Be interesting, because one of them is feshed. Work that one out. What do you think that is? I think my German viewers will know, unless of course I'm saying it wrong. It might be feshed, in which case I'll be looking an idiot going, feshed. Anyway, see you soon. Take care, and bye.